Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If Instagram keeps removing the comments you post for spam or guideline violations, even when you didn't do anything wrong, this video will show you how to fix it. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the menu icon, 3 lines, in the top right corner. From the menu, select your activity. Next, tap on Comments. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent comments. Now, long press on one of your comments. Select multiple recent comments, especially ones that may have received a lot of likes or that you posted repeatedly. After selecting them, tap Delete at the bottom. Then tap Delete again to confirm. This helps reset Instagram's spam detection if your account was flagged for repetitive or high-activity commenting. Now go back and try posting a normal comment. It should no longer get removed. If the issue continues, log out and back into your account or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And make sure to subscribe for more simple Instagram and social media fixes.